Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. And this episode is going to be a pottery episode, and Kara's going to show you how to make a flop bowl.
As per requested.
As requested, like she said. So it's one of these bowls with an irregular shaped rim, and she's going to show you how she does it because I'm a wood guy. I don't know. End scene.
Gonna make a traditional bowl like normal, but I'm gonna get it way thinner than it should be, and it's a gamble on when it's going to fall. It's gonna fall when it wants to fall. I'm going to widen this out further than it probably should be, but also get it thinner, and that way it can't hold itself up. It might fall on the wheel, that's fine, because then I'll flip it over and get the little scalloped edges that way. Gravity's gonna be my assistant. Okay, so I can tell it's gonna go, but yeah, it's gonna start wrinkling. If I play with it while it's wrinkling too much, that's when there can be stress on wherever the wrinkle is, and that could cause a rip. So now, floppy bowl. You can leave it organic, or you can always take your finger and coax a certain little lobe in or out more. Totally your discretion. And that's it. And then you put it on 2 little sawhorses for it to dry. In this case, buckets. Then you let it stiffen up. Keep it flipped over, trim it up, done. You have a bowl. So, word of caution, when you're throwing, if you don't leave enough clay down towards the base of the bowl, this whole thing could fall right off the bat when you flip it over. Also, if you've got thin and fat places in your wall, it could separate and you could start having holes in your wall, which could look cool, but usually they just completely fall off the bat when you go do something else. Check on it later, and it's a pile. There, floppy bowl.
So there you go, everybody. I don't know if I'm in focus, but anyways, that's the video. Sorry for pointing. Now you know the basics of how Kara makes a floppy bowl. So, Kara then. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye.